All right, so today we did about 1.5% in the markets in about an hour, which equates to about $2,400. And we're going to break down how this trade happened, what we were looking for, and how we executed on it. So the pair we took a trade on was Zero USD. So the way I saw the markets was, first off, we are in an uptrend, but we had a huge 1 hour impulse to the downside due to news. So I knew that we were looking for sales. So I went down to the 15-minute. Let's do the replay just to show what I was looking at. Knew that we touched the bottom of this impulse, but price is still aggressively pushing down, so we know we're still looking for sales until the bottom of that impulse or the top of the impulse is passed. Went ahead and marked up my zones. This is a valid supply zone. Go down to the 5-minute. Refine it just a little bit. Pretty sure it's down right there that I was looking at. We have certain criteria that we're using to validate our supply and demand zones. Some of that being there can't be a zone sitting right above or below it. There needs to be stops being taken out on this impulse down before we go for the trade. So as you can see, there's floors being made that were taken out. This is all people stop losses. This is all people losing money right here. So you can see that got taken out. Clearly, a lot of liquidity before the zone. You see how aggressive these candles are. There's gaps. So with all that being said, the zone was validated. So now all we're looking for is the type of reaction to get in and go lower, targeting the bottom of the last session's, the low of the last session, which was the London session. So I put my take profit around right here. Use the 13 EMA 2-minute draw trade. Boom, we got a touch right there. We enter on the break of this candle, so it broke, we entered. Could have made my stop a little bit closer because we do want to put the stop right above the last wick, so it should have been right here, just for a little bit more profits, but I wanted to be conservative. It was the first trade of the week, so I ended up putting it right there. Boom. Went ahead and loaded off a little bit of profits right here because it was retesting the EMA. And then it eventually came down, hit TP. And that was it. Very simple.